Hello, welcome to the Fancy Panda. Today we got the Bowman Value Pack. Contains 2 Bowman packs plus 5 exclusive camo parallels. Let's get a rippin', yeah. So on the Fancy Panda, we're gonna be doing some fancy stuff. That's where I did it. Wow, cool, the security code. Come on, Walmart. Alright, here we are. These are the pull rates you get. You guys can pause the video because I'm already done looking at it. I got the lovely Bugs with me. She is my wife. I hesitated there. She is my husband. I don't know what she wants me to say there. Acuna Jr. He's had a bad injury, but man, he is fun to watch. Hank Beaver, Justin Bieber's dad. The best league ever. Look at Max Scherzer. Theo Talent Pipeline. Hey, you got some green camo on that. That's cool. First edition Bowman. You want those first edition, the first Bowman, those are kind of like the rookie cards for Bowman. Oh, look at that price! We got Marco Lucino Chrome. Nick Mayton, first Bowman. There we go. Gunnar Henderson. I actually like these cards a little better. They're a little thicker than the other tops. They feel better in hand. Alright, we got the second pack. We got some good pulls there. It's fun to get these athletes. Always chasing after those first Bowmans, rookie cards, and autograph patches. You know, stuff that's worth $1 million. Rookie card, Bobby Dalbec. He's looking really good this year, so I'm very happy we pulled that one. Christian Pecci. Herbert Ruiz. Rookie of the Year favorites, Joe Otto.
Nice.
Year, huh? Do something. Max Meyer. Alex Manor. CJ Abrams, okay. Patrick Bailey, catcher. Oh, whoa. That's 11 out of 500. There's only 499 of these cards, and that's number 11, Bugs. Let's go! Very cool. Yeah, it's stamped and everything. Yeah. Brett Fatty and hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This was an awesome card we got. Hopefully we'll get some value from him in the future. So, if you guys don't mind, like, subscribe, and we'll be opening some more baseball, football, basketball cards, and weird ass content that's pretty fancy.